2025 Toyota RAV4 LE all-wheel drive. Well, it's got mechanical key, it's got start stop. The problem with this car, the hood light does not go off. There is a new switch, and I checked the wire from the switch to this box. I believe it's this one. And somebody before me was looking at this car, and this wire had this piece of crap installed in it. Okay, I fixed it with a better wire. Whatever, the bottom line, this wire is good from here to the switch. If you shorten out the switch, got the ground and everything, or the power. I think it's getting the power. So basically, if you put a jumper here, this box gets everything it needs. It's coming here. Next thing, what I did, if you look at the data, if you look at the start-stop data, you can see as soon as you watch the hood, it's gonna tell you that the signal is here. It's got the signal, it's working. Nothing on the cluster. But if you go inside of the data of this guy, it doesn't see nothing going on. And after some research, what I think happened here, I believe the big guy, this is a body control module. This is the correct one by the numbers. But this guy comes out. It's right here. You can swap out just this box. And it does not, I don't think it's gonna require any programming, but I cannot trace down these numbers, but it doesn't not, if I Google it, this comes out to be 2017. Another thing, I did open this box just to see if it's boring or something, because the car has been in an accident. And guess what, I traced down this wire where it's coming in here, I mean, whatever, on a circuit board, and it goes to the empty spot where you like supposed to have a resistor or something like that. So I think somebody simply swapped it out because the old switch was broken. I think they just misdiagnosed it, swapped it out, and that's where the whole problem begins. I think he just needs to replace this guy, and that's gonna be it. But to confirm it, I need the factory OEM wiring diagram to make sure, I mean, to check the rest of it, because I think the way it works, this wire is not coming here from the switch. This wire comes here from the start-stop module. Excuse me. So, but one way or the other way, I'm not sure if it's supposed to go to cluster from here or from the other guy. But in this module, it doesn't, that's the only place where I found it, and it does not do anything. The inside is not connected to anything. So my conclusion that this guy has been swapped, and it's a wrong one. But, you know, whatever. So here we are. All right. Thank you.